Singapore's retail sales are up by around 15% on year in June. While slower than May's growth of around 18%, it recovered from a low base over the same period last year. Now, that's when movement and travel restrictions were in place. Most industries saw a decline month on month in June as inflation picked up as well. Now, the clothing and footwear industry led the surge, which nearly doubled its growth. Department stores and sales of watches and jewellery each jumped by more than half. Business at supermarkets and mini-marts dropped amid lower demand for groceries. The food and beverage industry, meantime, expanded sales by more than half compared to the previous month's 40% growth. This was also because of the low base effect last year when dining-in restrictions were in place. Restaurants posted the highest growth of around 144%. Food caterers more than doubled their business, with the return of large-scale events and in-flight catering too. One economist says that the retail sector is likely to continue growing in the coming months.
Retail sales growth will likely still be driven by the fact that prices are increasing, so there's some price effects on retail sales. At the same time, the economy continues to grow relatively well and the labour market is relatively tight. So that's helping with incomes, and I think that's likely to boost spending going forward. But the pace of growth may slow as I think substitutes like overseas travel come along.